For small business owners, freelancers, and self-employed professionals, accounting software isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about simplifying the entire financial workflow. A critical component of this workflow is getting paid. This is where online payment processing comes into play, transforming the often arduous task of collecting payments into a seamless, automated process. FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting solution, has long been a go-to for invoicing and expense tracking. But when it comes to accepting payments, what payment processor does FreshBooks actually use? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that FreshBooks primarily leverages Stripe as the underlying technology for its in-house payment processing solution, often referred to as FreshBooks Payments. This partnership is a strategic one, allowing FreshBooks to offer a robust and integrated payment experience directly within its platform. However, it's important to understand that while FreshBooks Payments is powered by Stripe, FreshBooks also offers the flexibility to integrate with other popular payment gateways. This means businesses have options, catering to different preferences and existing setups. Let's break down the primary payment processing mechanism in FreshBooks and then touch upon other integration possibilities. FreshBooks Payments, the Stripe connection. When you opt to accept online payments directly through your FreshBooks invoices using FreshBooks Payments, you are essentially utilizing a customized integration with Stripe. Stripe is a giant in the online payment processing world, known for its developer-friendly tools, robust security features, and extensive global reach. Here's why this partnership is beneficial and what it means for FreshBooks users. Seamless integration. The beauty of FreshBooks Payments is its seamless integration with the accounting software. When a client pays an invoice online, the payment is automatically recorded in FreshBooks, the invoice is marked as paid, and the transaction fees are automatically logged as expenses. This eliminates manual data entry, reducing errors and saving significant time for busy professionals. Ease of setup. Setting up FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe is designed to be straightforward. For businesses in Canada and the United States, it involves a few simple steps directly within the FreshBooks platform, streamlining the process of getting started with online payments. Multiple payment options. Through this integration, clients can pay invoices using a variety of methods, including major credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc., and even bank transfers, ACH in the US, pre-authorized debits in Canada. This provides convenience for your clients, making it easier for them to pay you quickly. Security and compliance. Stripe is renowned for its stringent security measures and adherence to payment card industry, PCI, compliance standards. This means that when your clients make payments through FreshBooks Payments, their sensitive financial information is handled securely, giving both you and your clients peace of mind. Transparent fees. FreshBooks generally provides transparent pricing for its integrated payment processing. You'll typically see a percentage fee plus a fixed per transaction fee for credit card payments, e.g., 2.9% plus 30 cents, and a lower percentage fee for bank transfers, e.g., 1%. These fees are automatically deducted before the funds are deposited into your bank account. Beyond FreshBooks Payments, other integrations. While FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe is the primary and most integrated option, FreshBooks understands that businesses may have existing relationships with other payment processors or specific regional needs. Therefore, FreshBooks also offers integrations with other popular payment gateways. PayPal, a globally recognized online payment system, PayPal is a common choice for many businesses. FreshBooks allows you to connect your PayPal account to your FreshBooks invoices, enabling clients to pay via PayPal. This is particularly useful for international transactions and for clients who prefer using PayPal. Stripe standard for international businesses, while FreshBooks Payments is primarily for businesses in Canada and the United States. Businesses located elsewhere can often connect their existing Stripe standard account to FreshBooks. This ensures that the benefits of Stripe's powerful processing capabilities are still accessible, even if the FreshBooks Payments branding isn't directly used. Other third-party gateways. Via integrations, FreshBooks has a marketplace of integrations that can extend its functionality. While less common for direct invoice payments within FreshBooks itself, some users might leverage third-party services or integrations, like those facilitated by Zapier, to connect with other payment processors if their specific business model or regional requirements necessitate it. Why payment processor choice matters for your accounting. From an accounting software perspective, the payment processor you use and how it integrates with your software is crucial for several reasons. Accuracy and reconciliation. A seamless integration, like FreshBooks payments with Stripe, ensures that payment data flows directly into your accounting records. This minimizes manual data entry, which is a common source of errors. It also makes bank reconciliation significantly easier, as payments are automatically matched to invoices. Cash flow management. Getting paid quickly and efficiently is vital for healthy cash flow. Easy payment options for your clients, facilitated by a reliable processor, mean faster payments. Reporting and insights. When payments are automatically categorized and linked to invoices, your financial reports, like income statements and cash flow statements, become more accurate and insightful. This allows you to better understand your business's financial performance. Client experience. A smooth and secure payment experience for your clients reflects positively on your business. A well-integrated payment processor contributes to this professional image.